In this video, we're showing you how to install the AlphaFlex screen protector on your Samsung Galaxy S22. Start by removing your case and any existing screen protector from your phone, if you have them. Open up the accessory kit and set out all of the components. Clean your screen with the alcohol wipe and dry it with the microfiber cloth. Use the dust sticker to dab the screen and eliminate any remaining particles. Open up the alignment tool and expand it to fit your phone. Align the top of your phone with the top of the alignment tool and slide the tool to fit around your phone. Peel off the adhesive backing with tab 1 and avoid touching the adhesive. Attach the tab to the peg and use the squeegee to affix the screen protector to the screen, sliding firmly from bottom to top, then top to bottom. Release the tab from the peg and pull the film off the screen. Gently press air bubbles to the edges of the screen protector to ensure it is attached securely.